Today, I'm going to show you how to use a harm reduction kit. Here's everything that's in the kit. Also in the kit, there's this baggie, and it contains rubber gloves, antiseptic wipes, some antibiotic ointment, bandages, and some gauze pads. We also have a tourniquet in here and cotton balls. So the safest choice is to use a brand new needle and syringe every time, but if you don't have access to that, the next best option would be to bleach your needle and syringes. And so the kit comes with instructions, but we're just kind of gonna walk through them right now. So these bottles are labeled steps 1, 2, and 3. For the first step, you'd open up this little container, insert your syringe, and fill it full. You're gonna shake it around a little bit, tap it, and then you're gonna shoot the water out. And you'll do that 3 times. When you're done with that, you grab the blue bottle, the bleach, do the same thing, fill up your syringe, shake it around a little bit, tap it, and then you let it sit for 30 seconds so the bleach can really work. After that, you can squirt out the bleach and go again, and you're gonna do that 3 times, just like the first step. Third step, just like everything else, fill that syringe up, swish it around, tap it, and then shoot it out. Continue to do that for your 3 times, and when you're done with that, your needle will be clean. We have these kits for you to pick up for free in our lock boxes, and we encourage you to use them to lower your risk of infection.